So guys, now we start the unit number second, class 12 mathematics. In paper second, application of derivative. So here, in the application of derivative, we learn application of derivative to tangent and normal means geometrical meaning of derivative or geometrical uses of derivative. Here application means uses. Second part, we learn derivative as a rate measure. Third, to finding the approximate value means approximations. Fourth one, here we learn Rolle's theorem and LMVT. After one, increasing and decreasing function. And last part of this application of derivative is maxima and minima. So now we show the first part of application of derivative, which is application in geometry. So here the application of geometry in normal and tangents. You know first about normal and after tangent. In a xy plane, it means that which is x-axis and it is y-axis. Here intersect at origin. In a xy plane, if y is equals to f of x, be any curve. So here we represent any curve which is, so let us consider that it is a curve and this curve is y is equals to f of x. In a xy plane, if y is equals to f of x, be any curve and point P x1 y1 lie on the plane xy. It means that in this curve, point P x1 y1 lie on the curve x1 y1. Point P x1 y1 which lie in xy plane and is this point P in lie on the curve y is equals to f of x. And this function is also continuous at point x. The line which intersect point P we consider L1. This line L1 is called as tangent of the curve, which is tangent. Now we know about normal, the line which perpendicular to the tangent. So we consider that L2, the line which perpendicular to the tangent is called as normal. So it is clear that L1 is tangent, L2 is normal. After we, if y is equals to f of x, be any curve, and the given function is continuous function of x, so if we differentiate with respect to x, then y become dy upon dx is equals to f dash of x. So here, the coordinate of point P at a point P x1 y1, then if we put the value of x1 y1 coordinate at the dy by dx, means the value of dy by dx at x1 y1 which is definite value is equals to f dash of x at x1 y1. This dy by dx at x1 y1 or f dash of x at x1 y1 is called as slope of tangent. Is called as slope of tangent. It means that if m is slope, m is equals to dy upon dx at the value of x1 y1. Here m is slope of tangent. Here m is the slope of tangent. Also we call m dash, which is slope of normal, and the value of m dash is equals to minus 1 upon m if the tangent is perpendicular to the normal, then slope m dash is equals to minus 1 upon m, which is m is the slope of tangent and m dash is the slope of normal. M dash is equals to minus 1 upon m. From the above condition, when P be any point whose coordinate represent x1, y1, m be the slope of tangent and m dash is a slope of normal. Here the real value of m dash or slope of normal we can write minus 1 upon m. From this above condition we can conclude that first equation of tangent which is y minus y1 is equals to slope of tangent m in bracket x minus x1. So here which is the equation of tangent. After that we can conclude that equation of normal which is y minus y1 is equals to slope of normal means m dash into x minus x1, or we can write y minus y1 is equals to slope of normal which is perpendicular in condition minus 1 upon m is x minus x1, which is a required equation of normal. By using this equation of tangent and equation of normal, we can find the equation of tangent and normal as follows, which is given. So here example number first, which is find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. To the curve y is equals to 2x cube minus x square plus 2 at point 1 by 2 means at point x1 y1 which is 1 by 2. Here by the given condition let p x1 y1 represented by the value 1 by 2 which is 2. It means that here x1 is equals to 1 by 2 and y1 is equals to 2. So first we know that about equation of tangent and equation of normal. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1, and the equation of normal is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m in bracket x minus x1, which we have find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. If we have to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal, then we first know about the value of x1 y1 and slope of tangent. Here x1 y1 is 1 by 2 is given, but first we have to find the slope of tangent. By using the slope of tangent we can find the slope of normal also. First we have to find slope of tangent. So if we have to find the slope of tangent, then we first take given curve y is equals to 2x cube minus x square plus 2. Here if we find derivative of this curve dy by dx and at the point 1 by 2, then we get the slope of tangents. So here first we differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y with respect to x, which is dy by dx. 2 is constant function, we take a derivative of x cube minus derivative of x square plus the derivative of 2. Here 2 into x cube, which is 3x square, minus derivative of x square, which is 2x, plus derivative of 2, which is 0. 2 into 3, which is 6x square, minus 2x, which is a value of dy by dx. If we substitute the value of x1 y1, we can write dy upon dx at 1 by 2, 2, or we can say the value of xy 1 by 2, 2, at 1 by 2, 2, we can write 6 into value of x, we replace 1 by 2, and value of y, we replace 2. Here y is not available. The value of x, which is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole bracket square minus 2 into 1 by 2, which is the value of x. Here 2 get cancelled. We can write 6 into 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 minus 1. Here 2, or we can write here 3 by 2 minus 1. The value of 3 by 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, which is 1 by 2, which is the slope of equation. By using this slope, we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. So we know that equation of tangent, which is y minus y1, is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. By using this equation of tangent, we know that the value of y1, which is 2, y minus 2 is equals to slope m is 1 by 2 into x minus coordinate of x1, x which is 1 by 2. If we take this to left side, we can write 2 into y minus 2 is equals to x minus 1 by 2. If we multiply this 2 in this bracket, we can write 2y minus 4 is equals to x minus 1 by 2. Now if we shift this whole term right side, we can write x minus 2y minus 1 by 2 plus 4 is equals to 0. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 4, x minus 2y minus 1 plus 4 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Or we can write, if we multiply it both side by 2, we can write 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0, which is a required equation of tangent. After that, again we have to find equation of normal. We know about equation of normal, which is equation of normal is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. We know that slope of tangent, which is 1 by 2, coordinate of y, which is 2, minus 1 upon 1 by 2 into x minus the coordinate of x, which is 1 by 2. Here if we shift this 2 on the numerator, we can write this 2 on numerator, we can write y minus 2 is equals to minus 2 into x minus 1 by 2. So y minus 2 is equals to minus 2 into x minus 2x minus minus plus 2 upon 2, which is 1. So if we take this minus 2x left side, we can write 2x plus y minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0, and minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. 2x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0, which is a equation of normal. So here minus 1 plus 8, which is plus 7 by 2, means 2x minus 4y plus 7 is equals to equation of tangent, and 2x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0, which is equation of normal. Question, which is question number 2. X cube plus 2x square y minus 9xy is equals to 0 at 2, 1. Here the point x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1. So first we take given function x cube plus 2x square y minus 9xy is equals to 0. If we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal, first we have to find the slope of tangent or slope of normal. So here if we differentiate the given function and we take dy by dx at point 2, 1, then we get the slope of tangent. So differentiate with respect to x, here derivative of x cube plus 2 into x square into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x square minus 9 into x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is equals to 0. Here derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 2 into derivative of y, which is dy by dx, x square into dy by dx, plus derivative of x square to x, 2xy, minus 9 x into derivative of y dy by dx, plus y into derivative of x, which is 1, is equals to 0. If we multiply 2 whole bracket, we can write 3x square plus 2x square dy by dx, plus 2 into 2, 4xy, minus 9x minus 9y is equals to 0. Here, if we take dy by dx common form, these two terms, which is minus 9x into dy by dx minus 9y is equals to 0, we can write 2x square minus 9x into dy by dx. If we shift this term minus 9y right side, we can write plus 9y, minus plus 4xy, which is minus 4xy, plus 3x square, which is minus 3x square, upon, hence we can write dy upon dx is equals to 9y minus 4xy minus 3x square upon 2x square minus 9x. If we have to find the value of dy by dx at a point x coordinate to y coordinate 1, we can write 9 into 1, which is y coordinate 1, minus 4 into 2 into 1, because x coordinate to y coordinate 1, minus 3 into x square means 2 square, upon 2 into 2 square minus 9 into 2. Hence, it is clear that we can write this dy by dx at 2 is 2 into comma 1, m is equals to 9 into 1, 9 minus 8 minus 3 into 2 square, which is 4, minus 12 upon 2 into 2 square, 4 into 2, 8 minus 18. We can write this minus 29 is minus 11 upon minus 10, which is 11 upon 10. So here, so the slope of tangent is 11 by 10. And if we have to find the equation of tangent, first we can write equation of a tangent, which is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Here, value of x coordinate, which is 2, value of y coordinate, which is 1, we can write y minus 1 is equals to m is equals to 11 by 10 into x minus 2. If we take this 10, left side we can write 10 in bracket, y minus 1 is equals to L in bracket, x minus 2. 10y minus 10 is equals to 11x minus 22. So if we shift this right side, we can write 11x minus 10y minus 22 plus 10 equals to 0. Hence we can write 11x minus 10y minus 12 is equals to 0, which is the required equation of tangent. Similarly, we can write equation of normal. The equation of normal, which is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. Here we can write y minus 1 is equals to minus 1 upon 11 upon 10 into x minus 2. We can write 11 upon 10, we can write y minus 1 equals to minus 10 upon 11 into x minus 2. If we take this 11 left side, we can write 11 into y, which is 11y minus 11 is equals to minus 10x plus 20. So we can write 10x plus 11y minus 11 minus 20, which is minus 31 is equals to 0, which is the required equation of tan normal. Example number 3 is x is equals to 2 sin cube theta, y is equals to 3 cos cube theta, and theta is equals to pi by 4. And again here we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. The given function is in the parametric form. So by using the definition of parametric function, we can evaluate dy by dx at theta is equals to pi by 4, which is the slope of tangent. By using slope of tangent and value of x and y, we can find equation of tangent and equation of normal. So first we evaluate value of x and value of y. So we can write, given that x is equals to 2 sine cube theta and the value of theta which is at theta is equals to pi by 4, and again y is equals to 3 cos cube theta at theta is equals to pi by 4. Here the value of theta which is pi by 4, we can write x is equals to 2 sine of pi by 4 whole bracket cube. We know that the value of sine pi by 4 which is 2 into 1 by root 2 whole bracket cube. 1 cube 1 into 2 upon, or we can write 2 into 1 cube 1 upon 2 root 2. Here 2 to cancel, we get the value of 1 by root 2 which is value of x. Again y is equals to 3 cos of pi by 4 bracket cube. The value of cos pi by 4 which is 1 by root 2. We can write 3 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 1 upon 2 root 2 here, which is 3 upon 2 root 2, which is the value of y. So here we use at x comma y represented by value of x which is 1 by root 2 and value of y which is 3 upon 2 root 2. So here we have to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal at x comma y 1 by root 2 3 upon 2 root 2. Again by using x and y we have to find dy upon dx by using the definition of parametric function. Now x is equals to 2 sine cube theta, y is equals to 3 cos cube theta. If we differentiate with respect to theta, then we get dx upon d theta is equals to 2 into 3 sine square theta and again derivative of sine theta which is cos theta. It means that 6 sine square theta into cos theta. Again we have to find dy by theta which is dy upon d theta is equals to 3 into 3 cos square theta into again derivative of cos theta which is minus sine theta. We can write this minus 9 cos square theta into sine theta which is a value of dy by theta. But by using the definition of parametric function, we can write dy upon dx is equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Here dy by d theta which is minus 9 cos square theta into sine theta upon dx by theta 6 sine square theta into cos theta. Here sine square sine cancel, cos square cos cancel. We can write 3. Here dy upon dx is equals to minus 3 cos theta upon 2 sine theta. Cos theta upon sine theta which is cot theta. We can write dy by dx at theta is equals to pi by 4 which is minus 3 by 2 cot of pi by 4. And the value of cot of pi by 4 which is 1, his slope m is equals to minus 3 by 2. Then equation of tangent y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Here y minus y1 which is 3 upon 2 root 2 equals to m is minus 3 by 2 into x minus 1 by root 2. If we take this to left side we can write 2 into y minus 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 3 into x minus 1 by root 2. 2 into y which is 2y minus here 2 to cancel. We can write 3 upon under root 2 is equals to minus 3x minus minus plus 3 upon root 2. If we multiply it under root 2 both sides we can write 2 root 2y minus 3 is equals to minus 3 root 2x plus 3. So if we shift this minus 3 root 2x here, 3 under root 2x plus 2 root 2y minus 3 which is minus 6 is equals to 0, which is the required equation of tangent. Again we have to find equation of normal, means y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m in bracket x minus x1. So here value of y1 which is 3 upon 2 root 2, y minus 3 upon 2 root 2 is equals to minus 1 upon m, means m dash minus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 which is 2 upon 3. We can write 2 by 3 into x minus x1 means 1 by root 2. If we take this 3 right side, we can write 3 into y minus 2, 3 upon 2 root 2 is equals to 2 into x minus 1 by root 2. 3 into y which is 3y minus 9 upon 2 root 2 is equals to 2x minus 2 upon root 2. Here, if we take this 2x minus 2 root 2 minus 3y plus 9 upon 2 root 2 is equals to 0. After calculating 2 root 2, 9 2 root 2, we can write this 9 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 upon under root 2. We can write this 4 upon 2 root 2. 9 minus 4, 5 upon 2 root 2. So this 2x minus 3y minus 5 upon 2 root 2 is equals to 0, which is the required equations of normal. So now first we take question number first, which is in the exercise number 2.1, is depend on equation of tangent and equation of normal. The remaining part we continue after this question number first. So first we take question number first, similar questions. Find the equation of tangent and equation of normal to the curve at the point on it. And the first question, which is y is equals to x square plus 2 into e to the power x plus 2 at a 0, 4. Here also we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Point given which is x coordinate 0, y coordinate 4, means x1 is 0 and y1 is 4. Now y is equals to x square plus 2e to the power x plus 2 is a given curve. First we have to find slope of the tangent, means given function y is equals to x square plus 2e to the power x plus 2, differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y, which is dy by dx, derivative of x square 2x, 2 into e to the power x, derivative e to the power x, and the derivative of 2 which is 0. If we have to find dy by dx at 0, 4 is equals to 2 into 0 plus 2 into e to the power 0 plus 0. 2 into 0 which is 0 plus 2 into value of e to the power 0, 1 which is 0 plus 2, 2, required slope of tangent. Here m is slope of tangent. Therefore, by using slope of tangent, we can find equation of tangent at 0, 4. When slope is equals to m is equals to 2 is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Here the value of y1 which is 4 is equals to m into m, means slope is 2 into x minus the value of x1 which is 0. Y minus 4 is equals to 2x. If we shift this y minus 4 right side, we can write 2x minus y plus 4 is equals to 0, which is a required equation of tangent. So again, we have to find equation of normal. Equation of normal at 0, 4, y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m in bracket x minus x1. Here we know that y1 is 4, minus 1 upon slope is also 2, x minus value of x 0. If we shift this to right side, 2 into y minus 4 is equals to minus in bracket x minus 0. 2 into y which is 2y minus 8 is equals to minus x. So minus x become plus 8. Right side we can write left side x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0, which is a required equation of normal. So in the question number 2, example number 2, in question number first, again we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Here the value of x1 is 2, y1 is 4. First we have to find slope of tangent. If we differentiate given function with respect to x, we get derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of y cube is 3y square, and again derivative of dy by dx minus 9 into x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is equals to 0. So we can write 3x square as it is plus 3y square into dy by dx minus 9 into x, which is 9x into dy by dx. Derivative of x1, y into minus 9 minus 9y is equals to 0. If we take dy by dx common from both terms, we can write 3y square minus 9x into dy by dx. And if we shift remaining terms right side, we can write this minus 9y plus 9y and plus 3x square minus 3x square. So dy upon dx is equals to 9y minus 3x square upon 3y square minus 9x. So there dy upon dx at given point 2, 4 is equals to 9 into value of y, which is 4, minus 3 into value of x, which is 2 square, upon 3 into value of y, which is 4 square, minus 9 into x is 2. 9 into 4, 36, minus 2 square 4, 3 into 4, 12, upon 4 square 16, 16 into 3, 48, minus 18, we can write this 36 minus 12, 24 upon 20, 24 upon 30. So here, if we multiply 6 into 4, 6 into 5, the slope of the given equation m is equals to 4 upon 5. It means that m dash is equals to minus 5 by 4, we can write. So here we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Therefore, equation of tangent is or at 2, 4 is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. The value of y1, which is 4, y minus 4 is equals to m 4 by 5 x minus 2. If we take this 5 right side, left side 5 into y minus 4, 4 into x minus 2. 5y minus 20, 4x minus 8. If we shift this whole term left side, right side, we can write 4x minus 5y minus 8 as it is, minus 20 become plus 20 is equals to 0, means 4x minus 5y plus 12 equals to 0, which is the required equation of tangent. Now we have to find again equation of normal. So equation of normal at 2, 4 is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Here the value of y, which is 4, we can write y minus 4 is equals to value of m, means minus 1 upon 4 by 5 into x minus x1 means 2. Here if we write minus 5 by 4, y minus 4 is equals to minus 5 by 4 into x minus 2. Now we shift this for the left side, we can write 4 into y minus 4 is equals to minus 5 into x minus 2. 4 into y, which is 4y minus 16 is equals to minus 5x plus 10. So minus 5 become 5x plus 4y minus 16 minus 10, which is minus 26 is equals to 0, which is the required equation of normal, equation of tangent and equation of normal. So here again example number 3, x cube minus root 3xy plus 2y square is equals to 5 at under root 3, 2. Here by using if we differentiate with respect to x, we get the value which is dy upon dx. And if we find the dy by dx as under root 3 by 2, 3 comma 2, we get the slope of tangent. So here derivative of x cube, which is 3x square, minus under root 3 as it is, derivative of x into y, which is x into dy by dx, plus y into derivative of x1, plus 2 into y square derivative 2y into dy by dx is equals to derivative of 5, which is a constant function, is 0. Here we apply derivative of u into v rules. And remaining terms are separate, we can take a derivative. 3x square as it is, minus under root 3 into x, which is root 3x into dy by dx, minus under root 3y plus 2 into 2, 4y into dy by dx is equals to 0. So here, if we take dy by dx common from both terms, we can write 4y minus under root 3x into dy by dx is equals to remaining term, if we shift right side, under root 3y minus 3x square. So here dy by dx is equals to under root 3y minus 3x square upon 4y minus under root 3x. Here we have to find dy by dx at under root 3 comma 2, which is under root 3 into value of y, which is 2, minus 3 into value of x, which is under root 3 bracket square, upon 4 into the value of y, which is 2, minus under root 3 into root 3. If we multiply this term, we can write 2 root 3 minus root 3 square 3 into 3 minus 9 upon 4 into 2 8 minus root 3 into root 3 3. We can write this 2 under root 3 minus 9 upon 5, which is the slope of tangent. Here 2 root 3 minus 9 is a slope of tangent. Now from this slope we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. So here first we take equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is at under root 3 comma 2, which is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Here slope y minus y1 is 2, m is under 2 root 3 minus 9 upon 5 into x minus x1, which is under root 3. So if we take this 5 left side, we can write 5 into y minus 2 is equals to 2 root 3 minus 9 into x minus under root 3. Y into 5, which is 5y minus 10 is equals to 2 root 3x, 2 under root 3x minus 2 root 3 into root 3, 2 into 3 minus 9x minus minus plus 9 under root 3. So here 2 root 3x minus 9x, if we take x common from this both term, we can write 5y minus 10 is equals to 2 root 3 minus 9 into x minus 2 into 3 6 plus 9 under root 3. If we take this 5y minus 10 right side, we can write 2 root 3 minus 9 into x minus 5y, this minus 6 minus 10 become plus 10 plus 9 root 3 is equals to 0. So 2 under root 3 minus 9x minus 5y minus 6 plus 10, which is plus of 4 plus 9 root 3 is equals to 0, which is a required equation of tangent. Now again we have to find equation of normal. So equation of normal at under root 3 comma 2, which is y minus y1 means y minus 2 is equals to minus 1 upon m, means minus 5 upon 2 root 3 minus 9 into x minus x1 means under root 3. So here If we take this 2 root 3 minus 9 left side, we can write 2 root 3 minus 9 into y minus 2 is equals to minus 5 into bracket x minus under root 3. 2 root 3y, 2 root 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into root 3 minus 9y minus plus 9 into 2 18 is equals to minus 5x minus plus 5 root 3. If we take this minus 5x left side, 5x after taking y common from both terms plus 2 root 3 minus 9y minus 4 root 3 plus 18 as it is plus 5 under root 3 is equals to 0. So if we subtract both terms, 5 minus 4 was root 3 only. We can write 5x plus 2 under root 3 minus 9y minus 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3 plus under root 3 plus 18 is equals to 0, which is the required equation of normal. So the example number 4, which is 2xy plus pi sin y is equals to 2 pi at 1 comma pi by 2. Again here we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. If we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal, first we have to find that slope of tangent. It means that dy by dx at 1 comma pi by 2. So first we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. Then we get the dy by dx at 1 pi by 2 means slope of the tangent. Here 2 is constant. By using u into v rules, we can write x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x, which is 1, plus pi into derivative of sin y, which is cos y into dy by dx, and derivative, which is 2 pi, constant function is 0. Here 2 into x, which is 2x into dy by dx, plus 2 into y 2y, plus pi cos y dy upon dx is equals to 0. Here we have to find the value of dy by dx. If we take dy by dx common from both term and remaining time shift right side, we can write 2x plus pi cos y into dy upon dx is equals to minus 2y. So dy upon dx is equals to minus 2y upon 2x plus pi cos y. Here we have to find dy by dx at 1 comma pi by 2. Here dy upon dx at 1 comma pi by 2 is equals to minus 2 into the value of y, which is pi by 2, upon 2 into the value of x1 plus pi into cos of pi means 1 by 2. Here 2 to get cancelled. We can write minus pi upon 2 plus pi into the value of cos of pi by 2, which is 0. It means that slope m is equals to minus pi by 2. After finding the slope of tangent, the equation of tangent at 1 comma pi by 2, which is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Here value of y1, which is pi by 2, y minus pi by 2 is equals to slope m is equals to minus pi by 2 into x minus x1 1. If we take this to left side, we can write 2 into y minus pi by 2 into is equals to minus pi into x minus 1. 2 into y, which is 2y minus 2 to cancel, we get pi is equals to minus pi x plus 1. Sorry, plus minus pi plus 1, minus 1, which is pi. Here if we take this pi x left side, we can write pi x plus 2y minus pi, which is minus 2 pi is equals to 0, which is the required equation of tangents. Again we have to find equation of normal, which is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Here m is minus pi by 2. This y minus y1 means pi by 2 is equals to minus 1 upon minus pi by 2. We can write minus minus plus 2 upon pi into x minus x1 value of 1. So now we take this pi left side, we can write pi into y minus pi by 2 is equals to 2 in bracket x minus 1 pi into y, which is pi y minus pi into pi square by 2 is equals to 2x minus 1. This 2x minus 1 as it is, minus pi y become plus pi y become minus pi y, minus become plus pi square upon 2 is equals to 0. 2x minus 1 minus pi by 2, 2x minus pi y minus 1 plus pi square by 2 is equals to 0, which is a required equation of normal. We can write minus 1 minus pi by 2 square is equals to 0, which is a required equation of normal. Sorry, this 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2. Here we can write 2x minus 2 means 2x minus pi y minus 2 minus pi by 2 pi square upon 2 is equals to 0. Or also we can write multiplying by 2 both sides, we can write this 2x 4x minus 2 pi y minus 2 into 2 4 minus 2 cancel, we get pi square is equals to 0. Also we can write required equation of normal. So here again the slope of tangent and slope of normal. First we use differentiate given function with respect to x. Value which is x into sin 2y by using u into v rules, we can differentiate x into derivative of sin 2y plus sin 2y into derivative of x. Again right hand side we can use y into derivative of cos 2x plus cos 2x into derivative of y. Now derivative of sin 2y, which is cos 2y into again derivative of 2y, which is 2 cos 2y dy upon dx. Derivative of x1, which is sin 2y into 1 sin 2y. Here y into derivative of cos 2x, which is minus 2 sin 2x plus cos 2x into derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Here we have to find equation of tangent and normal. First we have to find dy by dx. So if this cos 2x dy by dx, the term which is dy by dx, if we take left side, we can write 2 into x, 2x cos 2y dy upon dx minus cos 2x dy upon dx. Remaining term if we shift right side, minus 2y sin 2x minus sin 2y. So if we take dy by dx common from both terms, we can write 2x cos 2y minus cos 2x into dy by dx is equals to minus 2y sin 2x minus sin 2y. Here we know that the value of x, which is pi by 4, and value of 2x, which is pi by 2. Value of y, which is pi by 2, and value of 2y, which is pi. So if we substitute dy upon dx is equals to minus 2y sin 2x minus sin 2y upon 2x cos 2y minus cos 2x. So we have to find slope. It means that dy upon dx at pi by 4, pi by 2. Here minus 2 into or minus 2y, value of y, which is pi by 2, we can write value of 2y, which is pi, into sine of 2 into value of x, which is pi by 4, minus sine of 2 into value of y which is pi by 2 upon 2 into value of x which is pi by 4 into cos of 2 into value of y which is pi by 2 minus cos of 2 into x which is pi by 4. So here 2 get cancelled, here 2 2, here 2 cancel, here 2 cancel, 2 remaining. We can write this minus pi into minus pi sin pi minus sin pi upon this 2 pi by 2 cos pi minus cos of pi by 2. Here again, so here value of m which is slope of the equation, we can continue. M is equals to minus pi into value of sin pi by 2 which is 1 minus sin pi which is 0 upon pi by 2 into cos pi which is 1 minus cos pi by 2 0. Here we can write minus pi upon pi by 2. Pi cancel. These two, if we shift numerator, slope m is equals to minus 2. So this value of cos pi which is minus 1. Hence we can write minus pi by 2. The value of m slope which is 2. Now we have to find equation of tangent. Here equation of tangent is y minus y1 means y1 means pi by 2 is equals to slope m which is 2 into x minus x1 means pi by 4. If we multiply this, y minus pi by 2 is equals to 2x minus pi 2 pi upon 4 means pi by 2. If we take this 2x minus pi by 2 as it is, plus y become minus y, minus pi by 2 become plus pi by 2 is equals to 0, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cancel, 2x minus y is equals to 0, which is the required equation of tangent. Again we have to find equation of normal. So we know that y minus pi by 2 is equals to 2 into x minus pi by 4, minus 1 by 2 into x minus pi by 4. If we take this to left side, 2 into y minus pi by 2 minus x minus pi by 4, we can write 2y minus pi is equals to minus x minus minus plus pi by 4. If we take this left side, we can write x plus 2y as it is, minus pi by 4 is equals to 0. Minus pi by 4 minus pi, we can write this x plus 2y 4 minus 4 pi minus pi minus 5 pi by 4 is equals to 0, or we can write multiplying by 4 both sides, 4x plus 8y minus 5 pi is equals to 0, which is a required equation of normal. So here again example number 6, x sin theta y is equals to cos 2 theta at theta is equals to pi by 6. Here we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. First we have to find value of x, which is x is equals to sin pi by 6, and value of y, which is y is equals to sin pi by 6. Implies that we know that the value of x and value of y, or we can write x is equals to sin pi by 6 means x is equals to y is equals to sin pi by cos, here cos of 2 into pi by 6, cos of 2 into pi by 6 means y is equals to cos of pi by 3. The value of sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, and the value of cos pi by 3 is also 1 by 2. Means we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal at x comma y represented by 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Means it means that value of x which is 1 by 2 and value of y which is also 1 by 2. So here we have to first find slope of the equation. X is equals to sin theta and y is equals to cos 2 theta. Here given that x is equals to sin theta, y is equals to cos 2 theta, and if we differentiate with respect to theta, then we can write dx upon d theta is equals to cos theta, and dy upon d theta is equals to derivative of cos 2 theta, which is minus 2 sin 2 theta. So by the definition of parametric function, we can write dy upon dx is equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. dy by theta minus 2 sin 2 theta upon cos theta. Here 2 sin 2 theta we can write. Value of sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta, we can write minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta. Here cos theta cancel, we get minus 4 sin theta. We have to find the value of dy by dx at theta is equals to 5 by 6. Hence dy upon dx at theta is equals to pi by 6 is equals to minus 4 sin of pi by 6. And we know very well the value of sin pi by 6, which is 1 by 2, we can write minus 4 into 1 by 2 is equals to minus 2, which is the slope of equation. Hence we can write m is equals to minus 4 into 1 by 2, means m is equals to minus 2. Now we have to find the slope of tangent, which is slope of a tangent at 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, which is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Y minus 1 by 2 is equals to m is minus 2 in bracket x minus 1 by 2. So y minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 2x minus minus plus 2 by 2 is 1. If we take this minus 2x left side, we can write 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. If we multiply it both sides by 2, multiplying by 2 both sides, we can write 2 into 2, 4x plus 2y minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3 is equals to 0, which is a required equation of normal. Now again we have to find equation of normal, which is a required equation of tangent. Now we have to find the equation of normal, which is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1 minus 1 upon m in bracket x minus x1. Here slope m is minus 2. Y minus y1, which is 1 by 2, is equals to minus 1 upon minus 2, which is 1 by 2 into x minus x1, means 1 by 2. Now these two, if we shift left side, we can write 2 into y minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 in bracket x minus 1 by 2. 2 into y, 2y minus 1, 2 upon 2, which is 1 into x minus 1 by 2. If we shift this 2y minus 1 right side, x minus 2y minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equals to 0, or we can write x minus 2y plus 1 by 2 is equals to 0, or we can write this, if we multiply it to both sides, 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0, which is a required equation of normal. So here again we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. First we have to find the value of x and y. So x is equals to root t and t is equals to 4. Hence we can write the value of x is equals to under root 4, which is 2, and y is equals to 4 minus 1 by 4, which is 4 into 4, 16 minus 1, which is 15 by 4. We have to find point P, point x comma y represented by value of x, which is 2, and value of y, which is 15 by 4. So first we have to find the slope of tangent by using x is equals to root t, y is equals to t minus root t. Again the given function which is in the parametric form. Then given function x is equals to root t and y is equals to t minus 1 by t, by if we differentiate with respect to t both x and y, we can write derivative of x with respect to t is 1 upon 2 root t. derivative of y with respect to t, dy upon dt is equal to derivative 1 minus plus 1 upon t square. Hence, dy upon dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt, means 1 plus 1 upon t square upon 1 upon 2 root t. If we take cross product of both, t square plus 1 upon t square divided by 1 upon 2 root t. If we take this 2 root t numerator, 2 root t into t square plus 1 upon t square into 1, which is t square. So we have to find dy by dx at t is equals to 4, means 2 under root 4 into 4 square plus 1 upon 4 square, which is the required value upon 2 under root 4, which is value of under root 4 is 2. Hence we can write slope m is equals to 2 into 2, 4 square 16 plus 1 upon 4 square 16, which is 2 into 2 4 into 17 upon 16. 17 into 4 we can write 68 upon 16, or simply we can write 4 1 16 4 17 upon 4, which is the slope of tangent. By using this slope, we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. So first we have to find equation of a tangent, which is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. So the value of y1 means coordinate of y, which is 15, y minus 15 by 4. Slope m is equals to 17 upon 4 into x minus x1, which is x minus value of x, which is coordinate 2. Here, if we multiply it 4 both sides, we get become 4y minus 4 cancel 15, 17 into x minus 2. This 4y minus 15 is equals to 17x minus 34. If we shift this 4y minus 15, I said 17x minus 4y minus 34 plus 15 is equals to 0. Here we know that 34 plus 15, 17x minus 4y minus 19 is equals to 0, which is the required equation of tangent. We have to find equation of normal. Secondly, we have to find equation of normal. Now we know that equation of normal y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1, minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. We know that slope m is equals to 17 by 4, minus 1 upon 17 by 4 means we can write y minus y1, which is 15 by 4, is equals to minus 1 upon 17 by 4 means minus 4 upon 17 into x minus x1 means 2. If we take this 17 left side, we can say 17 into y minus 15 by 4 is equals to minus 4 into x minus 2. 17 into y, 17y minus 15 into 17, 205 upon 4 is equals to minus 4x, minus plus 4 into 2, 8. So if we multiply it for both sides, we can write 17 into 4, 68. We can write 68y minus 205, 4 cancel, is equals to minus 16x plus 4 into 8, 32. If we shift this 16x right side, we can write 16x plus 68y minus 205 minus 32 is equals to 0. Minus 205 minus 32 minus 205 minus 32, we can write 16x plus 68y minus 237 is equals to 0. Hence, which is a required equation of normal, 16x plus 68y minus 237 is equals to 0.